weeks out from our Walt Disney World trip, and we just received our magic bands in the mail yesterday. So I wanted to do this quick video just to do a magic band unboxing and let you know a little bit about what magic bands do. So first off, your magic bands will just come in this plain white box. As you can see, I already opened ours, but when you open it, you will see this. And the purple magic band is mine, the yellow one is Mike's. And now you will get a magic band as part of your Walt Disney World reservation if you're staying on property. Through your My Disney Experience account, you can pick which color magic band you want. I believe they are available in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and gray. There are other colors and a ton of different designs and different characters that you can buy while you're there, but the ones that you get as part of your reservation will be in one of those colors that I just mentioned. So anyway, what I like to do is I like to decorate my magic band. So this is what it looks like after I decorated it. Now, I also decorated our previous ones. This was my magic band from 2016. This was the original design of the magic band. As you can see, this part here is a little bit different. And then this was my magic band for our 2017 trip. So your magic band is very important to your vacation, and it serves many different purposes. The first being when you arrive at the Orlando International Airport, if you are using Disney's Magical Express service, you will need your magic band to board the bus. You will have to go through a little kiosk or a counter when you get to the Disney World Welcome Center at the Orlando International Airport. You will have to scan your magic band, which will come up which resort you're staying at. They'll tell you which bus to go to and all that. So it's very, very important that you pack your magic band in your carry-on so you have it with you when you get to the airport. Secondly, your magic band will be your resort room key. So in these magic bands, in the little, they call this a puck here, there's a RFID chip. Now your chip contains all of your reservation information, and your resort being one of those. So your resort room doors will have little sensors on them that you scan your band to, and that'll open your room door. Also, this will have your park tickets on it. So however many park days that you purchased will be on these bands. So when you get to the theme park, again, they'll be, when you go through the turnstiles, there are little things set up that have the sensors on them. You'll scan your band, they'll make sure your tickets are legitimate. You will also have to use your fingerprint in order to confirm your identity, so that way nobody can try to use somebody else's magic band or park tickets to get in. Also, if you have fast pass reservations, they will be on your magic band as well. So the same type of sensors that are at the turnstiles to get into the park, you will also see at the entrance to a lot of attractions. You will scan your band at that sensor, and it'll tell you if you're there at the right time, and it'll basically allow you to utilize your fast passes. Also, if you have the dining plan, your dining plan credits will be loaded onto your magic band. So for instance, if you go somewhere, you get your meal, you scan your band, because again, when you have the dining plan, all your meals are prepaid. So you actually don't give the cashiers or anything any money. You scan your band, they see how many credits you have, and they'll give you a receipt after the transaction showing how many credits you have left. Another thing your magic band can be utilized for is purchases. Pretty much any of the resorts, the restaurants, counter service places, even table service places, I would imagine, retail shops, you have to, in order to utilize your magic band for that, though, you will have to link a credit card to it. So that way there are little sensors set up at the cash registers. You can scan your band, it'll automatically, it'll charge the credit card that you have attached to your reservation. And I believe it's a purchase over $50, you will have to put a 4-digit PIN code in, similar to a PIN code that you would use on, you know, a debit card. So that, on the one hand, comes in very handy because you don't have to worry about taking your wallet out all the time to pull out your credit card, or your debit card, or your cash, or whatever. But it also can be a little bit dangerous because you're not, you know, when you're not pulling that credit card out or your cash, sometimes you don't realize how much you're really spending because you're just scanning. But it is a handy little tool when it comes to that. Also, around the theme parks, there are what's called PhotoPass photographers, and you'll see PhotoPass photographers at a lot of the, you know, like the major, I don't know if I want to use the word attraction, but say for instance, there'll be some in front of Cinderella Castle, in front of Spaceship Earth, in front of the Tree of Life at Animal Kingdom. There are also a lot of attractions that do on-ride photos. Splash Mountain, Space Mountain, Tower of Terror might do it, a couple of other ones. So those, you know, automatically I get, you know, take the pictures. And what happens is when you actually have a PhotoPass photographer that takes pictures, which comes in very handy if, you know, especially if you have young children or you want your entire family to be in the picture. You know, it's tough to get everybody together because somebody's always holding the camera taking the pictures. So what happens is when the PhotoPass photographer takes a picture with their cameras, they will scan your Magic Band, and all those photos will be uploaded to your My Disney Experience account for you to view and buy if you so choose to. Also, actually another thing is along the same lines, if you have Memory Maker. Memory Maker is an optional purchase that you can get a CD that contains all of your PhotoPass pictures, and you can, I believe you have unlimited downloads and all that kind of stuff. I've never used PhotoPass. I mean, I've never used Memory Maker because it's only just the two of us all the time, so we don't really need it. But again, another thing that would come in very handy for families or even people who take a lot of pictures. So also, what's included in this box here are, there's a couple little extra things in here. And one of the things is when you get your Magic Bands, they give you luggage tags. It used to be, and maybe it still is, I don't know, that the luggage tags would sort of correspond with the color Magic Band you got. I'm not really sure. We got this one, I think, with more goes with the green Magic Band than the purple, but it is purple on the back, so maybe this one does go with the purple one. But we got the gray one instead of the yellow one to go with the other Magic Band, so I'm not sure what happened there, but that's okay. But so anyway, so that's a quick overview of what your Magic Band does, and it's really a cool, you know, thing to have. When we first went in 2012, we didn't have Magic Bands. We had Key to the World cards, which were nice too, but at the same time, it's, you know, it's a higher risk trying to lose something that's, you know, just a little card as opposed to something that you're wearing around your wrist. So I personally love the Magic Band, and I'm looking forward to decorating it and using it on our trip in 3 more weeks. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.